Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to buy the Luna 3X long coin. This could be one of the biggest opportunities you could get into right now specifically, because as we're going to show with the Bitcoin price, which is the market dominator, and whenever Bitcoin goes up, the whole market goes up, you're going to see that we're about to have a major market reversal, which is going to allow for all the altcoins, especially Luna, which is ranked number 7, has a $32 billion market cap, and is ultimately one of the best cryptocurrencies because there's over $22 billion locked into this coin from users voluntarily because they're earning 20% APY on the money they lock in within the Terra Luna ecosystem. Now there's only one place to get the 3x long version of Luna, and when you get this 3x version, it multiplies so much faster than just if you were to buy the regular coin Luna. So I'll show you exactly where to get it, and as a bonus, you'll see how to get all the rest of these very popular altcoins in the 3x version of it. Stay tuned and wait till you see what I'm going to show you in the charts. Before I show you where and how to buy Luna 3x long, I'm going to just show you again. You can see it right here, ranked number 7 on CoinMarketCap. It's up 60% this week. There's no other coin in the top 100 that's up over 60% this week. 14% just in the last 24 hours. And it's climbing its way on up the ladder to being one of the most important cryptocurrencies out there. The all-time high for Luna was about $100, and we're making our way back up there very quick. Right now we're at about $84. And one of the biggest determining factors for how important a specific altcoin is looking at their total value locked. Now we can come and see Luna right here, ranked number 2, just below Ethereum. Everybody knows what Ethereum is, and as a matter of fact, Ethereum has $114 billion locked, where Luna has $22 billion locked, so Ethereum has it beat by a long shot. But Luna is just about double what the third ranking total value locked cryptocurrency is, which is Binance Smart Chain. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there, and beneath that is Phantom. That's another major coin, which I'll even show you as a bonus on how to get that, the 3x version of it. I've made massive gains with that one in the past, but this ranking is a really quick, easy way to see which are the best and most important altcoins out there right now. And as a matter of fact, we'll be able to get Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Polkadot, and more in their 3x versions coming up real shortly for you guys. Jumping into the Luna BTC chart, this is how Luna's value is compared to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's staying stagnant, but Luna's skyrocketing, it's going to show that depicted right in this graph here. So Luna's really gaining a lot of strength versus Bitcoin right now, which is really cool. Now looking at the Luna chart itself, you can see we formed a massive W pattern right here, which is a great reversal sign. And we're just peaking out with this massive daily candle shooting up, again approaching our all-time highs. Luna is on a run. Pay close attention to where it is in regards to the 50 EMA, which is this blue line right here. If we come and look at Solana, you'll see that Solana, another very important altcoin, is below that. Avalanche is coiling up right at it. Gala, another crypto metaverse gaming coin, is beneath it. If we look at Matic Polygon, it's beneath it. If you look at Axie Infinity, we're looking like we're just about to be forming that W pattern here, along with the rest of these altcoins that are going to really start to shoot up. It's great to see Luna taking that first stride and breaking out, because all the other main altcoins are going to follow suit. When Bitcoin goes up, Luna goes up, all the rest of the smaller altcoins are going to climb in price as well. And as that bonus I promised, I'm going to show you how to get the 3x versions of all the main coins that I was just talking about. Solana, Phantom, and Luna. As a matter of fact, I only had about $5,000 in here last week, and it just skyrocketed because this 3x version of Luna that I'm getting inside of Kucoin is just ripping. It moves so much faster. I figure if I'm holding just the 1x version of these altcoins, their maximum potential right now is maybe only doubling or tripling before they get to their all-time highs. In the case of this Luna and Phantom 3x altcoin, I can come over here to the chart where Luna is right now, and it's at $2.70. Well, how I turned that 5,000 into about 20,000 was because I was buying Luna down here at about 78 cents. So that's a quick 3.5x or so just 8 days ago on February 20th. Now let me show you the real potential. This is why I absolutely love these coins right now, is because back here a month ago in January, we were at $10, $9 and $10 for this coin. Well, we're at $2.69 right now. That's more than a 3x if we go just to where we were last month. And going back a little bit further to January 12th, earlier on that month, we were about $18, $19, $20 for this coin. So that's still almost 8x from where we are right now. So I'm seeing a lot of upside potential. Luna and pretty much all these 3x altcoins right now are at the bottom. As you can see, the lowest they've ever been on the graph. But we're starting to get this massive reversal, and we have a big red candle here. So I would imagine this just coming up and filling that gap, coming up to about $6.70. When you have such a quick downfall like that, you can get a quick upside just as fast. So be ready and be on the lookout. Now let's show you how to actually buy these coins. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come and set up an actual Kucoin account here. Now, before you do that, you'll notice I'm on a VPN. So this is a Spanish VPN. If you're using Binance, Kucoin, or other exchanges from the United States or the UK, or especially New York, where some cryptocurrency laws are harder, you may not be able to get on these platforms. I know for a fact, a lot of them are going to start implementing KYC, know your customer, and they're going to force you to put in your address, your driver's license, and a bunch of other documentation. So I really stress making these accounts now anonymously, because that's the whole point of a decentralized cryptocurrency network in the first place, being off the grid with your finances. As we've taken note from Canada recently, their Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, literally is freezing bank accounts for people. So the world's in a crazy situation, and I have a deal. If you get it right down below, you can get 3 months free, and you're literally saving 83% off. So this thing comes out to like $2.50 a month, and you can come in and disconnect. You can connect to any country, and this will even help if you're browsing certain Netflix movies that aren't available in the US or whatever. You can browse and act as if your computer's coming from any of these other countries, which again, in our case, is going to allow us to get into Kucoin so we can get these 3x altcoins. So I would say step one is get a Surfshark VPN. The link is down below. The next thing you're going to want to do, if you don't already have one, is to get a Coinbase account. Now, I'll even have a link for that below. All the links and resources will be right below this video. You'll get $10 when you sign up to Coinbase. This is your crypto on and off ramp. You're able to buy crypto here with your US bank account, debit or credit card, and then transfer that crypto to other exchanges where you can start getting into these very, very cool coins like Luna 3XL or all these other 3x altcoins that you can see here that are up 30, 20, 40%. Solana's up 46% today. These are all 3L coins, and all you have to do to find the 3L coins once you get into KuCoin is just type in 3L under USD, and it'll pull up all the coins. And you can see which ones I have favorited here with the stars. I would recommend getting into those. Based on my experience, those are the top altcoins to look at right now. So you'll get your crypto, you can come in, and I actually recommend buying a stablecoin, USDC. Well, I have 60 bucks in this account right now, so I can come and click on Bitcoin, and I'm actually going to say send and receive. And I actually sent it off camera, but all you're gonna have to do if you're gonna be sending BTC is make sure it's on the send tab here in Coinbase, and then you're gonna wanna copy the address. So after you set up your KuCoin account, like I said, make sure you get that VPN. I can't stress that enough, and turn your VPN on before you even go attempt to make a KuCoin account. But I will leave KuCoin link down below as well. You sign up with that after you get your VPN turned on. And then as you're wanting to send in your crypto, for instance, I'm doing Bitcoin, you're gonna wanna come to your main account button right there, come and say search. I'm just gonna say BTC, and then I can press deposit. I'll come down and grab this address right there, come back into Coinbase, paste it, and then I could press continue and send out the cryptocurrency I bought with my bank account on Coinbase, send that right into KuCoin. Now, once you do that, you'll come over to your asset overview, and you'll be able to see your main account where your crypto that you just sent in should be right here. I sent Bitcoin. Bitcoin takes like 30 minutes to arrive sometimes. So if you send your USDC stablecoin like I recommended, it should be there in like 5 minutes. You'll be able to find it, and you're gonna wanna press transfer. If it landed in your main account, you'll press transfer, and then you'll switch it to your trading account. You can just say max amount, confirm, and now I sent all the money into my trading account. So finally, we're going to be getting our 3x long coins right now, and I can come and press trade. You'll make sure that you're on your trading account here in Kucoin. You can come search up any of these coins. You can just type in 3L, and it'll pretty much show you all the coins that are 3x long that you can potentially trade. You'll come over and press the trade button next to the coin you want to trade, Luna 3L, and you're only able to trade Luna with USDT. So if you sent in Bitcoin, if you sent USDC, that stablecoin from Coinbase, into Kucoin, you'll need to sell your USDC for USDT. You can type in USDC in the search bar, and then you'll see USDC/USDT. You'll click on that and essentially sell your USDC and convert that into USDT. Then once you have your USDT, you should be able to come and look right down here. It might ask you to set up a trading password. You just got to do that real quick. It's just a few digits that you can easily remember, but you'll see you got your USDT right here. I have no USDT in my account right now, but what you're actually going to do is come and choose a price that you want to buy at. So if you want to buy right now, you can come and press on this red number right here, and it will populate right down here. And then you can type in how much Luna you want to buy potentially, and you'll type in 100 Luna, and right now that's going to be $271. So you'll see how much USDT you're going to be spending to get this amount of Luna right here. You can also choose to set a limit price that's far lower than the price that it's at right now, in case you want to set buy orders in the future, in case you're sleeping. Maybe Luna goes from $2.71 down to $2.44. You could then have a buy order placed right there and press buy, and your open orders will be displayed right here in this section. Now, when you want to take your profits, you're going to come over to the sell Luna section, and let's say you want to put in a limit order, maybe you're sleeping or something, you have $5.71. When Luna hits that amount, if you're only going to sell 100 Luna, you'd be making $300 in profit based on where you would buy it at right now, because you'd be leaving with $572 and you put in $272. So that's kind of how you can do it. And for instance, if this goes up to where it was before and you want to sell around $20, that same $271 you put in would turn into $2,074 if you were to sell basically at a 10x from here. So that's the power of these altcoins. We'll type in 3L one more time, and we'll click on Phantom 3L. This is another one I'm extremely bullish on, and it is just massively low right now. But if you go back, you can see this was at $17 when Bitcoin was around its all-time high. Right now it's at 13 cents. So you can see how low it is on the graph right over here. It is just way down and out at this point. But if Bitcoin starts to rally back to its all-time highs, you can expect these 3x altcoins to really start to rip. And that's what I'm banking a lot of my account on right now. So this is not financial advice, but this is just something that I'm doing right now, and I thought I'd share it with you guys here today. Don't forget, all the resources will be linked right down below. Be sure to smash the subscribe button to my channel. I have a lot of other cool videos for you guys if you want to learn everything about cryptocurrency that I've been putting out since 2016. Plus, I cover a lot of e-commerce stuff. If you're interested in building a business, selling on Amazon, I've had many successful students that in his first week pulled $2,600 in sales, and just a lot of success and reports that I'm able to share with you guys from e-commerce, that I take my profits from there and then I funnel them into crypto, where I am an investor there. So be a business owner where you have control of your money, and then be an investor where you let your money work for you. That's all I got. See you later, guys. Peace.